Good morning, students. Today we will study homeostasis. It is an important topic. First of all, we will study a few basic points about the topic homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of our body to keep our internal environment constant. Homeostasis maintains internal environment constant by controlling various variables called pH, temperature, biochemical reactions, etc. Homeostasis help in the smooth functioning of our body and keep our body healthy. For example, the positive and negative feedback mechanisms associated with homeostasis. अगर हम लोग होम्योस्टेसिस की बात करें तो फिर ये हमें पता होना चाहिए कि एक हेल्दी बॉडी तभी तक हेल्दी रहती है जब तक कि उसके अंदर की जो होम्योस्टेटिक कंडीशंस होती हैं वो मेंटेन रहती है। जैसे कि एक हेल्दी पर्सन का ब्लड का पीएच 7.4 होता है, लेकिन अगर यही होम्योस्टेटिक कंडीशन डिस्टर्ब्ड हो जाती है तो बॉडी को कई तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती है। फॉर एग्जांपल, इन केस ऑफ फूड पॉइजनिंग द ब्लड पीएच मे ईदर इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज and may cause disturbance in the homeostatic conditions of a healthy body. Now here we will discuss a few examples which are associated with homeostasis. Students, we all know that in a healthy body the normal blood glucose under homeostasis is 130 to 140 mg per dl. However, if blood glucose level increases too much, then the person suffer from hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia may occur for very long time period under diabetes mellitus. But in case the blood glucose level decreases too much up to 70 to 54 mg per dl, then the person suffer from hypoglycemia. We will study both the positive and negative feedback mechanisms which are used by our body to maintain homeostasis both under hyperglycemic and hypoglycemic condition. First of all, we will study the homeostatic maintenance of blood glucose during hyperglycemia. At homeostasis, normal blood glucose level is 130 to 140 mg per dl. However, if blood glucose level increases too much, then the patient suffer from hyperglycemia. Continuous hyperglycemia may occur due to diabetes mellitus. In diabetes mellitus, beta cells of pancreas fail to produce enough insulin. Insulin hormone keeps the blood glucose level normal by promoting uptake of excess glucose in blood by the body cells. Homeostatic mechanism which maintain normal blood glucose levels is as follows. Now here we can see the normal blood glucose level is 130 to 140 mg per dl. But if a person suffer from diabetes, then the blood glucose level increases up to 180 to 200 mg per dl due to hyperglycemia. In contrast, if the blood glucose level falls too much, then hypoglycemic conditions may occur. First of all, we will study the homeostatic maintenance by our body under hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia में हमारा ब्लड ग्लूकोज जो है वो बहुत हाई हो जाता है, जिससे कि कई सारी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो सकती हैं। रीनल फेलियर हो सकता है, and even a person may suffer from heart problems etc. तो अब ये जो हाइपर ग्लाइसीमिक कंडीशन एराइज हुई है, इसे हमारी बॉडी वापस से नॉर्मल कंडीशन पे कैसे लाएगी वो हम इस फ्लो चार्ट से समझेंगे. नॉर्मल ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल इज 130 to 140 mg per dl. Due to disturbed homeostatic condition, the blood glucose level increases and hyperglycemia occur. Beta cell of pancreas sense the increased level of blood glucose and in response it release insulin. Insulin increases the uptake of blood glucose by the tissue cell and it keep on uptaking the blood glucose until and unless the blood glucose level becomes normal, that is 130 to 140 mg per dl, and the homeostasis is attained. When the blood glucose level becomes normal, then the beta cells of pancreas again sense it and then stop the release of insulin. Now we will study the second homeostatic condition which occurs during hypoglycemia. Number 2, homeostatic maintenance of blood glucose during hypoglycemia. Now we have studied in hyperglycemia the blood glucose level increases too much. However, in contrast, during hypoglycemia the blood glucose level decreases too much. उसका उल्टा है. At homeostasis, normal blood glucose level is 130 to 140 mg per dl. In hypoglycemia, blood glucose level falls below 70 mg per dl. Due to decreased blood glucose, the patient suffer from tiredness, headache, excessive hunger, fainting, etc. In hypoglycemia, alpha cell release glucagon which break glycogen stored in liver into glucose. The breakdown of glycogen stored in the liver into glucose is known as glycogenolysis. Glucose is released in blood. Homeostatic mechanism which maintain normal blood glucose level is as follows. Normal blood glucose is 130 to 140 mg per dl. However, if the homeostasis get disturbed, then the blood glucose level may decreases too much and comes to 70 to 54 mg per dl, that is hypoglycemia. When the alpha cell of pancreas sense the very decreased level of blood glucose, then in response they release glucagon. Alpha cell of pancreas release glucagon and the glucagon increase the breakdown of stored glycogen in liver into glucose, that is it promote glycogenolysis. Glucagon increases blood glucose level to maintain homeostasis. Now the blood glucose level again becomes normal and the homeostatic condition is attained. When the alpha cell of pancreas sense the normal blood glucose level, then they stop they stop glucagon release. Now here we have studied two homeostatic examples which help us to understand the metabolism of glucose in our body. Thank you.